In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new pages to your Wix website using Wix Editor. Whether you're expanding your site with an About page, a Services page, or a special landing page, adding pages the right way keeps your site organized and easy to navigate. Once you're inside the Wix Editor, look to the left-hand panel and open Menus and Pages. This panel shows the structure of your site and how visitors will move through it. Here, you'll click the plus add page button. Think of this as creating a brand new canvas in your website's page list. Wix will set up the page framework for you so it fits into your site's existing theme and navigation. Next, give your page a clear descriptive name. This name is what visitors will see in your navigation, so keep it short and intuitive. For example, About, Pricing, or Portfolio are straightforward and easy to understand. Avoid overly clever names that might confuse visitors, and try not to duplicate names you already use elsewhere. Consistent naming helps both your audience and your future self when you're managing the site. As a tip, use standard capitalization and spacing for a polished look across your entire menu. After naming your page, choose a layout template. This determines the starting structure of your new page. Templates can range from a simple blank page, which gives you total creative control, to purpose-built layouts like an About page or a contact-style layout with sections already in place. Pick the option that best fits your content. If you plan to showcase a few key sections, like a hero image, a brief description, and a call to action, a pre-built layout can speed things up while keeping your design consistent with the rest of your site. If you prefer to build everything from scratch, the blank layout is perfect and still aligns with your site's theme and global design settings. Once you've named the page and selected a layout, Wix adds it to your site's page list. You'll see it appear alongside your other pages, ready for you to customize when you're ready. Choosing a layout isn't permanent. You can always adjust the design as your content evolves. To recap, the process is simple. Open Menus and Pages, click plus add page, name your page clearly, and choose a layout that fits your goal. Repeat this anytime you want to expand your website's structure. With these steps, you'll keep your site organized, professional, and easy for visitors to navigate.